In the heart of Houston, strength is built from the ground up. Leveled Concrete is proud to join forces with Groundworks, uniting passion, precision, and innovation. Together, we're lifting more than just concrete. We're raising the standard for our future. Some of the limitations our guys currently have is we limit with capital, we limit with our experience and knowledge and just overall training we can offer to our people.
Groundworks brings to the table years of industry-leading technology and support that's going to help us grow and be stronger together.
What excites me the most about the partnership with Groundworks is the fact that the production team is going to have more and more opportunities for upward mobility, upward growth, and ongoing knowledge and education.
Leveled Concrete decided to join forces with Groundworks to grow, to offer potential that we didn't have and to get stronger.
One of the things Groundworks brings in is that investment. They're going to be able to come in and bring in the newest, best equipment in the industry.
Joining Groundworks is the best opportunity, and so I'm very excited to see it spread its wings and fly.
I think the customers are going to see a significant impact in the quality, communication, and the value we're going to be able to bring them with this partnership.
It's going to offer the support and the tools that we need to take care of the customers in a timely manner, in a more streamlined manner. We're going to be able to take care of the customer and our employees the right way.
What we're most excited about with this new partnership with Leveled Concrete is innovation. What Zach and the team has done is really modified the process of small batch poly that we think we can then roll out across our 80 locations across North America. Our promise to the employees at Leveled is very simple. We will continue to invest in them as people. We invest in the business. We'll give them every tool and resource to be successful. We'll also grant them ownership into the Groundworks business so they can start on the path of wealth creation, not only for themselves, but for their family.
To have ownership for all of our employees in Groundworks is a huge win.
Ownership in Groundworks is going to give our team a huge sense of purpose and belonging.
We get to personally drive growth and take responsibility in every step of the process.
The future is going to offer our family, our growth, our job opportunities. It's going to be great.
I just see so much opportunities. There's nothing more exciting.
With this partnership, I would tell you, buckle up. We're going to whole new heights.